Free will versus determinism. Free will versus determinism is an example of a debate in psychology. Those who support the free will side of the argument recognize that there are causes that affect human behavior and the influence of factors such as the environment. However, they argue that we ourselves direct our behavior through our will. This means that we make choices and our behavior is voluntary. Humanistic psychologists support this perspective. Determinism is the opposite to free will. It is the belief that cause and effect rule the day and that our behavior is determined by things like our previous experience, our genetic makeup, and the environment. Therefore, we don't really choose our actions. The extent to which behavior is determined can be expressed in two ways. Hard determinism is the theory that human behavior and actions are completely determined by internal or external factors, and therefore humans don't have any genuine free will or accountability for their actions. The behaviorist approach would support this perspective. Soft determinism is the theory that there are constraints on our behavior, but within these limitations, we are free to make some choices. Cognitive psychologists would support this perspective. There are various types of determinism, including biological, which suggests that things like genes, hormones, neurotransmitters cause behavior. For example, someone is aggressive because they have an excess of testosterone in their body, which has been genetically determined. Their father was also aggressive. Environmental determinism argues that behavior is shaped by learning, through being rewarded and punished for certain behaviors, associating particular things with particular responses, and so on. For example, someone has a phobia of dogs because they were knocked over by a dog as a child and have avoided dogs ever since. Psychic determinism is when behavior is shaped by unconscious conflicts and forces we are not aware of. So even if our decisions seem like they are due to free will, this is just an illusion. So that's the free will versus determinism debate. What side are you on?